Are you able to hear me? Okay. So how many of are you there? So welcome you all of you in my course that is lubricants name lubricants. Okay. So let me see the student list. Jil Patel is here. Maulik Khambani is there. Uh, Palan Ranjan Muralidhar Mudril is here. Okay. Jil, Jil, are you there? हाँ, ठीक है. So last time I have discussed a course that is a completely numerical. Okay, you are afraid from that course. I know that. That is very simple course, but leave that. Okay. So it's my slide is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Slide दिखाई. हाँ. तो प्रीवियसली मैंने एक न्यूमेरिकल कोर्स आपको पढ़ाया था, ठीक है. एट दिस टाइम दिस वन इज a completely theoretical course that I am going to that I will discuss here, and this course of this name is tribology. So as Pramod Bingole sir told you that tribology which means friction, wear and lubrication. Okay, so lubrication looks like a small thing. क्या है कि जस्ट एक ऑयल ही तो डालना है, lubricant बन जाता है, ठीक है. जनरली आप एक आम लैंग्वेज में बात करोगे, लोगों से बात करोगे कि लुब्रिकेशन क्या है. ओके, तो वो लोग कहेंगे कि यार तेल डाल दो लुब्रिकेशन हो गया. ओके. यस. मैं यहाँ पे लास्ट टाइम मैंने एक कंप्लीट न्यूमेरिकल कोर्स पढ़ाया था, और दिस टाइम मैं पहले बेस्ट ऑफ, और दिस इज कंप्लीटली ए थियोरेटिकल कोर्स. माय पार्ट कंप्लीटली विल बी थियोरेटिकल. देयर इज नो न्यूमेरिकल. हाँ, हाउ देयर इज स्मॉल कैलकुलेशन, बट that is completely theoretical. ओके. हाँ, विस्कोसिटी वगैरह की स्मॉल कैलकुलेशन रहेंगी. दिस वन इज कंप्लीटली थ्योरेटिकल कोर्स एंड मेनली कंट्रीब्यूशन ड्यू टू द स्लाइड. ओके. सो देयर विल बी एन असाइनमेंट, देयर विल बी एन मिड सेम एग्जाम. ओके. तो मैं असाइनमेंट दूंगा जिसमें आपको स्टडी करनी पड़ेगी. यू हैव टू सर्च फ्रॉम इंटरनेट. सो लुब्रिकेट, मैं बता, जैसे नेम सजेस्ट करता है लुब्रिकेंट, ठीक है. दिस इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर अदर इंजीनियर. So if you say yeah lubricant ही तो है, lubricant तो छोटा सा है, just put the oil and it will become lubricant. ओके. लोगों को तो बस इतना लगता है, ठीक है. बट इफ यू विल सी lubricant lubricants, so there are the n number of company in the market. So they are manufacturing lubricants and they are selling. So lubricant, the life of our machine completely dependent on lubricant. Let me record. Life of our machine completely depend on lubrication or lubricant. So lubricant is very important phenomena. It is a chemically complex, has various purpose. So company invest lot of thing in the manufacturing. So lubricant, like if a company like Indian Oil has a annual revenue of 8 lakh crore. So out of 1.5 lakh, out of 8 lakh crore, 1.5 lakh crore is contributed by the lubricant business only. Lubricant has a very wide industry. It is used our day to day life because it reduces the direct metal to metal contact. Okay, so lubricants kya hota hai? It is a very lubricants protect our machine. It increase the life of our rotating parts. Like if you will see, we have a various home appliances at our home. They should be properly lubricated. Like आपके पास compressor है, fridge है, washing machine है. We have various rotating components. Okay, so in which we have to do proper lubrication. Okay, and lubrication depend करता है speed also. Okay, so sometimes you will see that कि सर कहाँ पे lubrication होता है. So lubrication वहां पर भी होता है, and we use the solid lubricant, like we use the graphite coating in our fans when the speed is lower. Okay, so lubricants may be solid, liquid, gas. It can be in any form that prevent the wear. Okay, it's not like one more thing. There is another state that is just semi-solid. Solid lubricants में क्या आते हैं आपके graphite, carbon, boron coating. So they are the come of ceramic coating. They are the come in solid lubricant category. Next is the semi-solid में क्या आते हैं आपके grease वगैरह. That is a grease etc. That is a part of some student wants to join. No one is there. So grease are the example of semi-solid lubricant. And another one is a liquid lubricant that we use. We say oils, etc. आते हैं. They are the part of they're part of liquid lubricants. Now come to the air and nitrogen. That is the gas lubricant. Okay, so they have different applications. So there's a various research are going in the world that define the research area. So various research like कि कौन सा lubricant कहाँ पे यूज होगा, इसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा रिसर्च चलती है. So lubricant looks simple. It should be oil or gas or solid liquid. But how it formulate, it is quite complex. It is a billion-dollar industry, but not billion-trillion-dollar industry in India itself. And globally, multiple dollar spending companies are spending lot of money for lubricants. कुछ लोगों ने सर ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था लास्ट सेमेस्टर की, सर हम लुब्रिकेशन कोर्स पढ़ रहे हैं और अब तो इलेक्ट्रिक कार का जमाना आ गया, तो लुब्रिकेंट्स की कहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी. ठीक है. However, this is not the physical classes like last year it is. So this is not a physical class, so that's why you have not asked. But I will like to answer this question. If a machine, any part is moving, any part anywhere in the world is moving, anywhere. Okay, in a machine, not anywhere, means gas also move. So any component in the machine is moving. If there is a relative motion, then lubrication is required. Either it is electric vehicle, either it is a fan in computer, either it is a hard disk in computer, either any software, but not software, any component, either any or either it is a cooling fan in our computer or any part moving in our printer. Lubrication is required. Okay, lubrication required to reduce the friction, to increase the life of our machine. So lubricant is compulsory thing. So first, before starting the lubricant, we have to consider the lubrication. I have told you the importance of the lubrication. Like in electric vehicle, if tire moves on the road, then lubrication, study of lubrication require. Okay, ठीक है, आपने इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल बना लिया. If you have decreased the moving parts by battery, okay, you have a motor tire, but tire तो सड़क पे ही जाएगा. So tire सड़क पे जाएगा, then you have to do the proper study of lubrication with the tire addition, okay, road addition, etc. Then there is a bearing that support the rotating load. Okay, that जो टायर को सपोर्ट करती होगी वो एक bearing होगी. ठीक है, फ्रिक्शन चाहिए होगा, रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए होगा, लुब्रिकेशन वगैरह चाहिए होगा. ठीक है. सो ये सब चीजें आपको देखनी पड़ेंगी. इवन आइदर इट इज इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, सो इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ लुब्रिकेशन विल नॉट गो. हो हाउएवर इट मे बी पॉसिबल दैट हमारा आईसी इंजन हमारा ऑब्सोलीट हो जाएगा. लाइक वी यूज्ड टू डू सिरेमिक कोटिंग. आपने सुना होगा रॉकेट लॉन्च होने वाला है, उसके ऊपर सिरेमिक कोटिंग की गई है. सिरेमिक कोटिंग हम इसलिए करते हैं ताकि वो जो एयर से जो फ्रिक्शन है दैट विल एक्ट ऑन आवर रॉकेट और आवर हवाई जहाज, आवर एरोप्लेन और आवर एयरक्राफ्ट. सो इट रिड्यूस द फ्रिक्शन. So friction, if any part is moving, then there is a friction. If any part is moving, then there is a friction. And we have to do study and we have to reduce the friction. So meaning of lubrication like friction. Friction is created when there is a relative motion between two surfaces. Either it is electric vehicle or a mechanical vehicle. If there is relative motion, then friction will act. Okay. Resistance to motion is defined as a friction. ठीक है. रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है? रेजिस्टेंस टू मोशन इज डिफाइंड एज फ्रिक्शन. Lubrication is use of a material between surface to reduce the friction. So lubrication एक जनरल फिनोमेना है that जो हम यूज करते हैं तो use material between friction to reduce the friction. Any material used is called the lubricant. तो जो भी हम मटेरियल यूज करते हैं फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए that is called the lubricant. Okay, so this one, so definition is clear. Friction होगा जब आपके दो पार्ट्स मूव करेंगे, definitely there is a friction between. Resistance होगा to the motion is defined as friction. Resistance between the resistance to the motion is called as friction. Lubrication होगा, lubrication is use of the material between surface to reduce friction. So any material used to reduce the friction is called a lubricant. Means any material, not they, it is not mentioned. Be clear that यहाँ पे ये मेंशन नहीं किया गया है कि any material used, it is liquid, solid or gas. So method of lubrication, two main methods generally we counted in the lubrication: hydrodynamic lubrication, boundary lubrication. ठीक है. So there are the two different category we count for the liquid lubrication. Okay, if we are using liquid, solid के अलग होते हैं. ठीक है. So basically एक hydrodynamic lubrication होता है, boundary lubrication होता है और boundary lubrication. So we decide type of lubrication basically depend on the Sommerfeld number. Okay. However, we use in lubrication, there is a Reynolds equation that is a fundamental equation that you use for lubrication analysis. But Reynolds number is not used to define the method of lubrication. There are two different methods of lubrication: hydrodynamic lubrication, boundary lubrication. So hydrodynamic lubrication, as the name suggests, hydro means when there is a thick layer of lubricant and completely load is supported with the help of completely thick layer of lubricant, that is called the hydrodynamic lubrication. Okay, so it is also called a complete or full flow. Occurs when two surfaces are completely separated by a fluid film. It occurs when the two surfaces are completely separated by a fluid film. So method, as we discussed, then come to the boundary lubrication. It occurs when the hydrodynamic lubrication fails by absorption or chemical reaction. So boundary lubrication only occurs when the surface are in partially contact, then that is called the boundary lubrication. Okay, see the basic two difference, how the lubrication will act. Okay, so lubricant. Okay, so as I told you, and we have discussed in the previous slides, so lubricants are those substances which are used to reduce the force of friction between two sliding surfaces. So lubricants, are you able to hear my voice? Yes,
Yes, sir.
are you able to hear? हाँ ठीक है अभी थोड़ा सा नेट हैंग हुआ था. So lubricants are those substances which are used to reduce the force of friction between two sliding surfaces. Any substance introduced between two moving sliding surfaces with a view to reduce the friction or friction resistance between them is known as lubricants. So basically क्या होता है कि दो metal surfaces those are sliding and have relative motion, we fill them with lubricants and lubricant reduce the friction. Okay, so any substance that we use to reduce the friction between two moving sliding surface, that is called the lubricant. With a view to reduce the friction or friction resistance between them is known as lubricant. Okay, ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
So characteristics, a good lubricating oil should have characteristics. When it comes to the characteristics, a good lubricating oil should have high boiling point, adequate viscosity, low freezing point, high oxidation resist, non-corrosive property, good thermal stability. Okay, so come to the characteristics. A good lubricating oil should have following characteristics: high boiling point, adequate viscosity, low freezing point. Like here you can see that आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं lubricant. It is completely made of slight transparent orange color. Okay, when it is built, it is transparent orange color. But due to sliding motion type of machine, like for the IC engine or your bike, where we have a high speed rotating gears, so it oxidized, lubricant itself oxidized, but it decreased the wear and tear of the gears. And it oxidized, it reduced the wear and tear. Okay, for to that, the lubricant after the use, it become black. Okay, so lubricant after use, it becomes black. So a good lubricating oil should have high boiling point, adequate viscosity, low freezing point, high oxidation resist, non-corrosive property, good thermal stability. So these are the characteristics of good lubricating oil. Okay, so high oxidation, so it resists. So non-corrosive property, good thermal stability. Okay, so these are the good lubricating oil property. So it is required, but I have not discussed why these properties are required. High boiling point. Okay, we will discuss in detail. तो boiling point चाहिए. Okay, because the lubricant is very fundamental. That is protecting our rotating machines. Okay, so sometimes they due to the temperature increase in IC engine, it may be that उसकी वजह से उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है और टेम्परेचर बढ़ने की वजह से लुब्रिकेंट बॉयल होने के चांस बढ़ जाते हैं. तो एडुकेट विस्कोसिटी प्रोवाइड करता है, लो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट रहता है, हाई ऑक्सीडाइजेशन रेजिस्टेंस रहता है, नॉन कॉरोसिव प्रॉपर्टी रहती है, गुड थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी. डिस्कस. तो नाउ कम टू द फंक्शन ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट. वो प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए लेकिन हमारे फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं लुब्रिकेंट के? वी हैव टू डिस्कस फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट द मेंटल थिंग इज दैट लाइक हमारे आईसी इंजन, previously IC engine are water cooled. They have a separate lubricant oil. तो previously ये होता था एक्स्ट्रा हम सप्लाई करते थे. बट इवन सम कार वी आल्सो हैव extra coolant. Coolant is provided separately in some cars, or in most of the cars we have a separate coolant also. But the lubricant directly works inside a cylinder and piston where the temperature is about 800 degrees Celsius. It cools down there. Okay, that is a one more example. And in the gearbox, when there is no coolant, still lubricant is there. And what the lubricant do? Due to the heat generated due to the frictional contact between two gears. Because if you will see the completely case, if you will realize, okay, close your eyes and try to realize what will happen. Like if you have a truck, 2000 kg of truck, 2000 kg of truck, that is load is 2000 kg. Okay, and your truck is moving your truck is moving at 100 kilometer per hour. Imagine. Okay, close your eyes, don't think anything. So it is moving at 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, and load is 200 kg. So you will see that the size of truck is quite large. Okay, size of truck is very big. But if you go into the deep, that it has about 300 bhp horsepower, 300 bhp horsepower. But size is very big, bhp is very large. Okay, but when you will realize completely power, it's completely power or completely torque is transferred by only two gears. Those are in directly in mesh. Okay, those two gears transfer completely power or load. They are carrying 2000 kg of load. But when we go into detail and the two gear transferring the power, two gear do not have full point contact. Their teeth are indirectly in contact, and those small teeth of a gear, one gear and another gear, they directly transfer that completely large size of power. You will see that those two small teeth at a present second, present moment, carry and transfer all these load. So you can imagine the situation between two teeth. So they have vary about 140 pressure, 140 bar pressure to transfer such a high load. So and that 140 bar is pressure between two gear teeth. They are transferring 300 bhp power. So you will see the situation. If those teeth are in directly metal to metal contact, there is 100% chances your truck will not run more than 10 meter or 20 meter. Your gear will be worn out under such a high load. To reduce the wear, to reduce the load, okay, to reduce the wear, to reduce the temperature, we use lubricant there. So lubricant act as a coolant, it absorbs the heat, it absorbs the load, it protects our machinery. Okay, so that is a fundamental function of our lubricant. So reduce the friction resistance. To reduce the friction resistance is the one of the main function of lubricant. Provide protection against the corrosion. The lubricant cover the metal surface, hence the attack of atmospheric corrosive environment on metal surface to prevent. Improve the efficiency of the machine since the use of the uh, lubrication improve the liberation of the friction heat. It reduce the expansion of the metal. Okay, so this is the I think today for today class it is okay. So Is there any query? Please let me know related to exam, to mark distribution, to lecture system. Please let me know. I will happy to answer your query. Yes. Jeel, Kapil, and Palanzajan. Yes. ये हाँ, आपने क्वेश्चन अच्छा पूछा, लेकिन ये बिंदुवाले सर से बात करके हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ, बताइए और क्वेरी। यस। हेलो। ये जनरली हम क्या करेंगे, 15 मार्क्स का असाइनमेंट रहेगा, क्लास टेस्ट और असाइनमेंट। देन 30 मार्क्स का आपका मिड सेम रहेगा, ठीक है, और 40 मार्क्स का एंड सेम एग्जाम। ये हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा, ठीक है। बट इट इज अ टेंटेटिव कंट्रीब्यूशन दैट कैन बी चेंज लेटर, ओके, विद द डिस्कशन। यस। और बताइए। यस।